Experiencing low Wi-Fi connectivity? This video is for you. Let me make you familiar with LiFi technology. So let's start a discussion with what is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. So it uses radio frequency waves to get to your smartphone or device to provide you the connection speeds and range. But most probably in our houses and in our offices, we have walls that slows down this frequency and we experience low frequency ranges on our smartphones and other devices. So what's the solution to this? Here's the solution. The solution is the LiFi, the light fidelity technology. It's a brand new technology that uses light rather than radio frequency waves to boost out the range and connection speeds to your devices. So if I talk about what actually LiFi is a wireless technology that uses light to send out data transmission using the LEDs. LiFi is made to use the LEDs at any places to transfer out the data and transmit connections and other speeds. And it's potentially much faster than what a Wi-Fi can because light travels faster than the radio frequency waves. So before we move further, let's get deep dive into the history of LiFi. LiFi was founded in March 2011. That's exactly 9 years before this video. This technology is available in very big companies and countries like the Russia, USA, Iran, Israel, China, and few other more countries that just recently adopted and started using the LiFi. Undoubtedly in India there is no such scope as of now, but in future it would surely help to become one of the best technology inventions because of its connectivity and security. Talking about the connectivity, we have already talked about how the LiFi is better because it uses light rather than radio frequency electronic waves. And also in the matter of security, Wi-Fi can be accessed by any person near to your home or where the modem is placed. But you need to be present in the LED light that's coming out of the LiFi or its connected devices to receive out what the light is transmitting data on. Also, LiFi uses LED, which is much better for our environment and also saves cost in the long run, but in short run, it's the first initial expense that's higher. With more security, more coverage, and more of what light can achieve in data transfers, why don't we adopt? Why don't India adopt LiFi over Wi-Fi? So potentially LiFi costs around $640 for a single dongle and device. It requires separate LED special kind of bulbs to use the LiFi technology. The installation costs are very high. The $640 just gives you a single dongle to use out the connection of LiFi. And if you have 10 devices at home, you would expect a $6,400 of expenses. Before that, we talk about why the LiFi is not that famous. Like we all know about Wi-Fi. Why not about LiFi? The LiFi is not famous potentially because its mass production has not yet started. It requires technology that's not readily available with every company and manufacturer. Its making cost is high, but in future it will surely be lowered down and available. So I think that's pretty much about LiFi, and see you guys on next Saturday with the tech update. And if you haven't subscribed yet, smash the subscribe button, give this video a big fat thumbs up, and if you know what to do, and comment below what you want to see next. I hope this information about LiFi is some helpful to you. So see you guys on the next Saturday with another video on Tech Milestone. Till then, peace out.